You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y=8. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by 3y. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y=8.